వస్తారా మీరు ముందుకు ఒకసారి? So can we all join our hands to congratulate the whole so who is missing in this scene? Chinna Krishnaya. Where is Niharika? Niharika చాలా చక్కగా చేసావమ్మా, నువ్వేం రాలేదు బయట ముందుకు రావాలి, అందరికన్నా ముందుకు రావాలి కదా. So trust me, this is not part of my script, but the fact, they do this seriously reflects on the values that they have for elders in the family. So again, congratulations, Pallavi. God bless you, Amma. Thank you, Anand. Thank you very much.
మీకు చెప్పవలసిన పని లేదు, మీ కరతాళ ధ్వనులు మోగుతాయి. యాక్చువల్గా ఆనంద్ గారు అసలైతే స్టేజ్ మీదకి నన్ను పిలవద్దంటారు, కానీ ఇది తప్పదు. ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ ఎప్పటికీ నిలిచిపోవాలి. వాళ్ళ ఆటోగ్రాఫ్ స్వీట్ మెమరీస్ లాగా వారి ఆల్బంలో ఈ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ తప్పనిసరిగా ఒక మంచి స్థానాన్ని ఆక్రమిస్తుంది అనేటువంటి దాంట్లో ఏమాత్రం సందేహం లేదని మీ అందరికీ మనవి చేస్తూ, మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు చాలా ప్రత్యేకంగా చిరంజీవిని అభినందించాలని మరొక చిత్తరువు చక్కటిది ఇక్కడికి పంపించడం జరిగింది. మనమంతా చూస్తాం. పల్లవి గారు రైట్. అమ్మమ్మ గారు, తాతగారు అభినందిస్తున్నారు. ఎన్ని ఆశీస్సుల పరంపర నిండుగా మెండుగా చిన్నారి నీహారికను కూడా ఆశీర్వదిస్తూ అమ్మమ్మ గారు, తాతగారు. ఎస్ దట్స్ ద కల్చర్.
ఎందరో మహానుభావులు, అందరికీ వందనాలు. ఇంతటి మహానుభావుల ముందు నాకు వచ్చిన తెలుగులో నేను మాట్లాడితే నా మనసులో ఉన్న మాట నేను సరిగ్గా చెప్పలేనేమో అని అనుమానంతో నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే మాట్లాడతాను, నన్ను మన్నించండి. As we come to the close of today's program, I simply I couldn't have ever imagined actually coming here. When I began dance 8 years back, I actually picked it up at school. And I remember very clearly that I once called it a hobby at a dance competition, and that was the reason I did not go to the next round. They said, if you call dance a hobby, right, if it's just a hobby for you, then you just don't qualify to be a dancer. For you to be a real dancer, you've got to be into it. You've got to be passionate about it. Only then will you actually, you're worthy of the title dancer. And 8 years later, standing on this stage, I realized, if there's one thing I've realized, right, that is that if there's one passion in life that I have, it's dance. I do not know if I'm good at it, but I do know that regardless of whether or not I'm good at it, it's one thing that I will continue doing no matter what. And it would be completely inappropriate if I did not have thank all the people that made this show possible. So bear with me for just a few more minutes. First and foremost, my guru, Ajay Srinivas Chakravarti garu. Without your support, sir, without your constant patience and your guidance, coming here would have been impossible. And I know that there is no appropriate way to express the appreciation I have, but I just hope that today the two words thank you will have more meaning than ever before. Thank you very, very, very much. Next, our revered chief guest, Sri Kala Krishna garu. I am so happy to be in your presence, sir. It is an absolute honor to be able to perform the Bhama Kalapam in front of you. It's an absolute honor. Thank you so much for taking our time and being here with us today. BVR Mohan Reddy garu. When I've actually seen the growth of Cyient from Infotech to Cyient, right, in the past couple of years, and I can only say this, sir, you're an inspiration to aspirants like us. Thank you so much for taking out time and being here with us today. And also Ratna Reddy garu, founder director of Chirek International School, which is also my alma mater. She is not here with us right now. I believe she had some prior commitments. But I am so happy to be in her presence as well, because she's representative of everything that my school has done for me, the way it has shaped my outlook, the way it has shaped my personality. And if I had to credit a place with actually introducing me to dance and the world of dance for me, it's got to be Chirek. So I'm very, very, very happy to have performed in her presence as well. Next to the two people without whose support and guidance it would have been impossible to perform today. One is Meghana, my best friend, and I'm so happy she took out time despite having a business studies exam tomorrow. She was here, she anchored the show. Absolutely, absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, Meghna. Also, Suraj, he came all the way from Chennai, and despite having placements tomorrow, Cognizant is coming, despite that, he is here today and he sang, and I'm so happy he was here. It's an absolute privilege. Also, the next, the little Krishna to my Yashoda, my sister Niharika. It was absolutely wonderful to perform alongside her for the Tarangam. I can't tell you how much joy. It nearly brought tears into my eyes when I actually saw her standing there like little Krishna. It just made me put my heart and soul into the performance, and I really thank her for that. One day, I'm sure she'll be on this stage too, giving her Rangapravesam, and I'll be there in the audience watching her and encouraging her as well. Next, my grandparents, Amamma, Tataya, Paati. నిజంగా థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పాలంటే ఎలా చెప్పాలో నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. That was unexpected, sorry about that. But happy tears, no? Happy tears, certainly. Next to all my teachers from school who took time out today to come. I know there's an exam tomorrow, which means you have to invigilate, which means you have to correct papers. But the fact that you're here, and despite me missing all your classes in the past 3 weeks, right, the fact that you're here means a lot to me, and your support both for dance and for studies, it means a lot to me. Also, to all our neighbors from our community, Aparna County, every single time I've given a dance performance there, you've been nothing but a wonderful audience. You've been so supportive, and I'm very, very happy that you're here today. And I'm very, very happy that I was able to perform my Rangapravesam while I'm still in India, still in front of you. So it's a great honor to be performing in front of you as well. A shout out to all my parents, colleagues as well. I unfortunately do not know you personally yet, but I'm really looking forward to meeting you all. And I know how tough the corporate schedules are, and for you to take out time and be here today, it means a lot to me. Thank you very, very much. Last, but certainly not the least, the two people without which this would have been impossible. The two people have mean the world to me. There's nothing more that I can say than thank you, because there are no words in the world that can express how happy I am at this moment. Thank you very, very, very much for being here today, and I really hope you enjoy the rest of the evening as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallavi. పల్లవి మాట్లాడుతూ ఆ ఉద్వేగానికి లోకైనప్పుడు మనమంతా చూసిన, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ మీ, కడుపు నిండింది వారి ఆత్మీయతను, వారి అనురాగాన్ని, వారి వాత్సల్యాన్ని, ప్రేమను చూసినప్పుడు. చిరాయువు నీకు ఆ పరమాత్మ ఇవ్వాలి, నీ నాట్యం కొనసాగాలి, మేమంతా ఆనందించాలి. జయోస్తు. మీ అందరికీ ఇంతసేపు ఉన్నారు, ఇది రవీంద్ర భారతి చరిత్రలో చాలా విశేషం. ఇంతసేపు ఈ టైంకి ఇంతమంది ఉండటం అనేది మీ అందరికీ పేరు పేరున నమస్కృతులు తెలియచేస్తూ, ఈ పక్కనే ఇక్కడ ఎడంచేది వైపు విందు ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. అందరూ దయచేసి జాయిన్ కావాల్సిందిగా పేరు పేరున వందనం, నమస్కారం. మళ్ళీ మరో చక్కటి సందర్భంలో మనమంతా కలుసుకుందాం.